how often do we do these exercises? And in a way, we are all different. You must find out what suits you. And if you are not very familiar with these exercises and you do all of them one after another, you can do this, but then do it very calmly, inwardly, listening it. What does it want to tell me? Can I touch it? What is it? Do not work in a way that, okay, that's yes and no, and now I do 10 times yes, yeah, and that's good, but do it with the inner question. What do I feel? Yes. And what did he say? Yes, forward 9. And then do it a few times, go to the next, go to the next. But keep in mind, the more important thing is that you keep in mind, it's a story. It's a story from, my lung system, the system which when I was a baby helped me to incarnate my body. The heart and will system, the blood system which carries all the energy of the lung in all cells of my body and lets me live and lie and work. And then from there, okay, now I'm in my body, now I want to relate to the surroundings but also stay with me. And when I can do this, I can stay with me, I'm connected with the earth, I can become a sort of vessel through which health forces can work. And even if I have experienced this, I can even start and say hello to them. So find the way, how you do it in a way that you still have this story in your practicing. And a very nice way, for example, is to do the yes and no in the morning. The sympathy, antipathy at break time, maybe at 11 or so. And the love in the early afternoon when you start to approach the world once again. And maybe the hope in the early evening when you start to let go, to reflect on what was, and the before you go to sleep.